Hello YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will discuss fruit detection using Ultralytics YOLO FineTuning and recipe using OpenAI. Our use case is that we will record a video of our shelf or dining table with some fruits. We will use YOLO for fruit detection, and we will use OpenAI to generate recipe using those fruits. This can be useful for appliances like Smart Fridge and Smart Kitchen. First, we will use a YOLO model, which is pre-trained on Coco dataset. This can recognize only 80 classes. It cannot recognize lemon. We will then use a model fine-tuned on OpenImage's V7 dataset. This can recognize about 600 classes. It can recognize lemon. We will run inference on our video data to detect all the fruits we have available. We will use OpenAI to suggest recipe using the fruits we have available. We thank Ultralytics for providing the models and the steps and code snippets for object detection and training. We will use a pre-trained YOLO V8 model from Ultralytics. First, we will load the image. The input image consists of lemons. We will run the model on the image. We will loop through the results to draw bounding boxes for all detected objects. As we can see, it shows that it has detected oranges, which is not correct. Next up, we will use pre-trained YOLO V7 model from Ultralytics. If you want to fine-tune your own model, please scroll to the end of the notebook. We will load the image. The input image consists of lemons. We then run the model on the image. We will loop through the results to draw bounding boxes for all detected objects. As we can see, it shows it has detected lemons now. This is good. Next up, we will do fruit detection on video. We will open the video file, get video properties, run the model on the frame. We will then loop through the results to draw bounding boxes for all detected objects. We will also update class count in the dictionary. Finally, we will write the frame with bounding boxes to the output video. Let us now watch the video with fruits detected. It has found distinct class names like plate, lemon, orange, pumpkin, food, coin, fruit. We are done with the object detection part. Finally, we will use OpenAI to generate recipe using those fruits. This can be useful for appliances for Smart Fridge and Smart Kitchen. User query is generate a recipe using the provided list of items. We will then invoke the OpenAI API. The AI responds as below. Sure. It looks like you have a variety of ingredients. Though a coin isn't edible and plate isn't an ingredient, I can use the lemon, pumpkin, and the term food to create a unique and delicious recipe. Let's try making a citrus pumpkin salad. It mentions all the ingredients. It is very detailed. It then gives detailed instructions as to how to prepare it. This can be useful for appliances like Smart Fridge and Smart Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning and algorithms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech talks and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.